All right, I'm a beginner, launching my first ever product and don't know where to begin. All right. Where to begin? It's a very broad question. It all depends what the goals of your campaigns are. If you want lead generation or sales, I would start with search campaign. If you want branding as well as a bit of lead generation and um, sales, then you need to have certain budgets for top of the funnel, ads, middle of the funnel, and bottom of the funnel um, on YouTube and display network. If you are a beginner, I would not recommend you go everywhere first, i.e., search, display, and YouTube. Just do one. Get it right properly. So start with search because that's going to give you the best bang for your buck. Having said that, YouTube also works wonderfully well for us and display network. So you just pick one network and get good at it.